Are you looking for a quick and easy quilt block that can be used in a variety of different layouts? Try the Split 9 patch. Let's take a look at the construction of the Split 9 patch and some design options for making a full quilt with these blocks. Welcome to True Blue Quilts. I'm Andy, and on this channel I help quilters enjoy, experiment, and excel as they quilt. I discovered the Split 9 patch when Bonnie Hunter chose this block as her Leader Ender project a few years ago. I'll share my version at the end of this video, so stay tuned. But let's look at the block construction. To make the Split 9 patch, just put 3 half-square triangle blocks in the diagonal row of a basic 9 patch. Sew by rows to create a full block of your desired size. I don't want to bore you with the quilt math, but please leave a comment if you need help with any calculations. If you look closely, you can see that I did not use 9 squares in this version of the Split 9 patch. I joined the 2 blocks that are together in the top row and the bottom row to cut a larger rectangle. This works if you are using the same fabric throughout the block. You can make some of those larger units. With a scrappier version, it's a lot of fun to just choose the individual squares. The Split 9 patch becomes a basic half square triangle with light and dark fabric. Once you have that basic unit, you can make a variety of different shapes, such as a chevron, a diamond pattern, or square within a square. Any of the traditional log cabin layouts can be used with the Split 9 patch as well. Google log cabin quilt layouts and you will see dozens of design options. Just substitute the Split 9 patch block for a log cabin or a half square triangle and you'll come up with a huge variety of options that you can customize. Here is the full quilt that I made from Split 9 patch blocks. It is offered as a complimentary pattern on my website, and you'll find a link to that design in the description box below. Download your copy today. Do you need some help making half-square triangle units? I share my 2 favorite methods in the video you see on your screen. Please hit that subscribe button and share this video with all your quilting friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.